Hello guys, my name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to make fish and chips. I'm gonna show you the tutorial of how to make a fish fillet and everything. And by the way, those bass fillets are salted already. First, we're gonna put them in flour. Yeah, see? And we're gonna put in egg. Yeah, you have to crack the eggs. Now we're gonna put it in breadcrumbs. See, simple as that. Since the fish is like organized and everything, you know, the fryery is ready, then we should just put it here. Yeah. And yeah, we should always put it like that. Never put this thing this way. And also, you have to sip some oil in the pan because to make it fatty. When the oil is warm enough, just put the bass fillets in the pan and fry it. Yeah, now we put these peas in like a deep pan. Yeah. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah. Sorry it's taken that long. So yeah, now we put some butter, which my mum organised here. Yeah. And now we put some mint in it. Yeah. Here we have the fries on my biggest tray, basically, and now we should just spread up because obviously this is fish, and we have to bake those fries for 16 minutes, and it has to be 230 degrees. Guys, we have to put it on the 16 minutes and all. So I'm just gonna put the clap on. Yeah, you guys, this is the last fillet I'm gonna fry on this pan. Just careful. Everything is ready, we can sort out the portion. Fries. Oh, sorry for that there. Now the fish. Now the peas. And now something special. It's something which I call tartar sauce. Bon appetit.